Hello, Boo.
Stella, Splash, Simba, Hydrox, and Boo, the Lucky Ferals.
Good morning, Boo. Boo slept on the bed all night. Right, Boo? Stella just jumped on the bed. And Boo's laying on the bed. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Because Stella wants to smell my legs because I just got out of the shower. Right, Stella? So she doesn't even care that Boo's on the bed. You'll be nice to Boo, Stella. Lay down over here. Lay down over here. And today the cats are getting their breakfast appetizers. This is a gourmet cat hors d'oeuvre. There's Stella's. There's Splash's if he eats his. And there's Simba's. And here we go. 3 empty can covers. They lick them clean. Except for Splash. He won't eat his. The cats are all eating their breakfast. Boo's eating his food on the second to the bottom step. And I don't know why Splash has to do this, but he always drags like those primal nuggets. He always has to drag them off of the platter and then like eat them on the ground. I wish he would just eat them on the platter. There's Boo. Now I tried giving him his food on the bottom step. He will not eat on the bottom step. There's the bottom step. There's Boo. He will only eat on the second step. And he was looking at the other cats, and he's looking at their platter, and I thought maybe he would try to eat with them on the platter, but he didn't want to eat anything, so I ended up just sprinkling a few crunchies onto his food, and now he's eating it. So here's what's going on. Boo only ate half of his breakfast because Boo had 1 primal nugget and the rest were instinct raw bites, a 1/4 cup of instinct raw bites. And Boo doesn't like the instinct raw bites, he only likes the primal nugget. So he only ate his primal nugget, and then he waited for all the other cats to be done with the platter, and now he's eating their primal nuggets. So what that means is I am going to give the other cats his instinct raw bites. All of the cats seem to like the primal raw nuggets better than the instinct raw bites. But that's only when I give them the rabbit ones. Now I'm watching Boo closely because I don't want him to overeat and then vomit. Are you done, Boo? Oh, you got an eye booger. Got an eye booger, Boo. He's licking up all the water on the plate. It is 7:40 p.m. I just got home and I decided to weigh the cats because I haven't weighed them in a while. I haven't weighed them since before I went away on my trips. And to me, they're actually looking like they're getting thinner. So I wanted to see if that was the case or what. So this is the results that I had today. Simba is 13.8 pounds. Boo is 14 pounds. And Stella is 15.4 pounds. So Stella has pretty much stayed the same, and Simba and Boo both have gained. They've gained less than a pound, but still that is a gain. So yeah, we'll see what happens. Hello, Boo. Boo was so cute in the cat tower. The minute I turn the camera on, he has to move. It is 12:50 a.m. I'm just about to brush Boo. But he'd rather rub up against his arch. Boo. I'm also going to give him some crunchies when I'm done brushing him. I think he hears one of the other cats coming up. Boo gets very excited when he's brushed. Sounds like another cat. I hope it's another cat. Okay, Boo. Where you going? Oh, it's Simba. Hey, Simba. Simba wants to be brushed. Look, where we going, Boo? Why you gotta come over here? The lighting was better in your room, Boo. Handsome. Boo, you're a handsome boy. What are you doing, Boo? Boo, you're handsome. Okay. Okay. We're done. I got a good amount of fur off of him. When I tap 3 times, Boo still knows to come and get brushed. Okay, Boo. Okay? Alright. Okay. Stella's so funny because you could always tell when she just woke up. Stella, you just woke up? She always has a look like, I just woke up. Alright, who wants to be brushed next? Simba or Stella? Who's next? Or Splash? Splash is next. Simba's purring. He's so silly. Hello, Simba. I think Simba likes being brushed as much as Boo does. And look, he's kind of doing the same thing that Boo does. Boo goes to his arch, and Simba comes to this tree thing. Okay, Simba. Okay, yep. I know you like the brush. You like it. I'm sorry, I know the camera's all over the place. It's kind of hard to brush the cat with one hand and try to frame the shot in the other. Okay. Okay. You like that, Simba? Yeah? Holy moly, look at all that fur that came off of Simba. It's a lot of fur, Simba. Now we're gonna brush Stella. She's gonna go sit in her truck. It's because what she always does. Oh, whenever Stella gets brushed, she wants to sit in her truck. Simba is purring so loudly. Stella seems to be enjoying this. Of course, every time I say that, then she has to go and swat me. Stella says, "How dare you say that I like to be brushed?" See? Every time I say that, she gets upset. How about this side, Stella? Sorry, the camera's all over the place. Stella, it's easier to brush you when you're not sitting in your truck. I think out of all the cats, Stella needs to be brushed probably the most because she shed. Like, I was petting her today and she was really shedding. Be nice girl, Stella. Just be nice. That's not how queens behave, Stella. Who's that? Who's that? Is that Boo? You hear Boo? You look pretty, Stella. Don't you want to look pretty? Don't you want to look pretty? You look pretty, Stella. Your fur looks so nice. Yeah? Yeah? You're gonna bite it?
Thank you for watching this Lucky Ferals video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you'd like me to post more videos, and please make sure to check out these other videos that were selected especially for you.